Great, thanks for taking the time to chat. I know that we're all very busy in this space and many things happening at the same time. Eos has been on a real growth trajectory for the past couple of years now. What do you think has enabled you guys to get so many leading insurers to be your LPs and become so successful?
Yeah, I mean, I think the key thing is just to be focused exclusively on insurtech. We're specialist investors in the space, so that helps. Investing globally, so having the ability to seek the best opportunities on a global basis. The quality of our portfolio companies, obviously we're delighted to be invested and working with Digital Fineprint and supporting you on your journey. And the fourth is building a very strong strategic partnership with each of our LPs to really help them accelerate their innovation agenda.
Which is very different in a way, because as an investor, I've seen firsthand how much US Fund have helped us to get the right introductions, get the strategy right, and really win in this insurtech space, which is different from other industries. Do you see other investors trying to use similar things in your model now?
So I think there's a small number of investors, but in our perspective is that we've taken a differentiated, unique approach to this. So we want to create a very strong strategic partnership with each of our limited partners, and essentially EOS acts as a bridge, a conduit into the insurtech world. So the ability to help connect you and your business into our limited partners, to work on commercial opportunities, is obviously a win-win for both. And the nice thing about our positioning is that we have relationships, across the market. So hopefully we can add value to your organisation as you look to grow and expand.
Of course, and the model is evidently working. We've seen it with Consiris, who are up to great things. You've been helping us to grow very dramatically in the commercial insurance space. What do you think, to be asking, was different about our company when you decided to invest?
So, I mean, obviously we like the team. That's our first thing we're looking for, is the ability of the team to actually execute on the vision that they have. And you are a fantastic CEO, so we're great to have that relationship. The focus on SME, I think, is critical. We see that as an area where it's underserved, penetrated. Traditional distribution doesn't work well for SME. So the ability for businesses like yourself to bring in new data sources to enable insurers to look and understand and assess risk in different ways, but also importantly to connect with customers and create a unique customer experience and service model, I think is very powerful. So the combination of those factors was important for us.
I'm so happy you mentioned the team first. I'm very proud of the team we built, and you should be as well, of the whole EOS team, Carl, Jonathan, James, everybody on it, which must be amazing.
Yeah, it's been a great journey. I mean, the interesting thing about starting EOS in 2016 is we've gone through our own startup experience, so we can relate to some of the things you guys are going through.
That's the best way of doing it. Final question, what do you think has been your top moment, the most exciting things in the past 2 years ever since it's been growing for you?
I mean, it has to be the first close of the fund, because that was the pivotal point where we knew the model, we thought the model would work. Now it's live, we've proven it. We're working with 4 fantastic limited partners in the UK, US, Canada, Europe. We've got some great portfolio companies. So yeah, we're up and running and looking forward to the future.
Fantastic. Let's finish this as we always do with all the board meetings we do together with a high five.
Thanks, Erik.
Thank you.